Okay, so I noticed I could talk a little louder, and also noticed that you weren't seeing a lot on the bottom of the screen, so I might have to scroll down. I actually changed the dimensions of it this time, so maybe you'll see it better. And now we're going to SLO3. Yes, because the other ones are done, so I'm going to do push edit over here. I hope you saw that. And again, so I have to change this SLO3, and I think I just named these all cognitive identifier. It makes sense, just stealing from what we already decided. And let me scroll, because I know you couldn't see this before, down to this date here. And maybe you still can't see it, I don't know. And I'm going to save the changes. I don't know what goes in end date. I don't know where, nothing's ending ever, so I don't know why they have end date there. Alright, means of assessment now. Going to means of assessment. And we already know this is a cognitive identifier, the SLO name. There's no means of assessment there yet, so I need to push this. I don't think you can see these down here. I'm going to see if I can change this. I can't. Okay. I can make sure I scroll this here. This is exam quiz. Go back to the things I steal. I'm sorry. Written terminology exam, that might be in both places, but I'm not seeing too fast right now. But yes, so it's the cognitive identifier in every class is going to be 100% of students will be given a written or practical terminology exam in order to complete this course. That's in all of our classes, so that type of thing. And say 75% of these students, I just made these things up because they need to be there, will receive a score of 70% or higher on the final examination. That's our benchmark. And these types of tests will be given every semester. Yes, we should do that every semester. It's the end of this, it's the final exam. Of course we're going to do it every semester. Save the changes, we're done with that. And you know what, I think we're done with this class, so now we can enter assessment results. So let's do the one that we do have. Right now there's no results here, so I have to push this button at the bottom center of the page that says add assessment result. And by course, it should still be at the course where we were. That's fine, it is. So I have to do that again. Oops. Add assessment results. And it gives me choices. Where do I want to put it? We only have one. Dance performance rubric, and in that we only have one. So far I have all the other things in my grade book, but I don't have that right now. So performance, we know that we have a result for the performance, and the assessment result is that, oh my gosh, I didn't put it here. Let me pause, I'll be back. Okay, so the assessment result is that 66, we decided this, 66% of qualified students participated in Visions of Dance on May 20th. Now, our benchmark was that 75% would, because we need to be pushing for higher anyway for a benchmark, so our benchmark was not met. Doesn't look good, but it's done. And the cycle is that we're analyzing our results, we're deciding what we want to do, so we haven't decided what we want to do. So I'm going to save changes, and that's the only assessment result we can enter at this time. You do realize that there are other ones that we need to do return. That's a result. Assessment results. Back to course plan. Okay, so I'm wasting time, but I was trying to show that list that showed how many assessment results we would have to put. Okay, I think I'm done. I hope this helped. I'm not sure if it did. Okay, bye.